Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. And now I'm gonna look for somewhere to cook some breakfast. And I know just the spot. Yeah, how cool is that? I think this will do for a spot. Hello there, I hope you're well. Doing a little bit of outdoor cooking today. So without further ado, let's crack on, eh? I'm using the Ridgemonkey. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just doing what I fancy. Because that's all that really matters. So I've got some bacon here, some thick smoked bacon that I've already chopped, just to make it easier to cook. Let's get some of the moisture in this bacon cooked off. So what we've got here is 2 rashers of smoked thick cut bacon. Give it a bit of gas because it's a little bit blustery, might as well have a bit of power behind it. And now, just to make it a bit easier, one of the things I love about this pan is you can literally just seal it up a little bit and tip all the water out. And that should make it cook a bit quicker. Because we're not boiling the meat now, we're frying it in the fat that comes out of it, which is what we want. So today I'm using the Vango stove, one of their lighter weight camping stoves. I'm just using the dinky Coleman C100 gas canister. Surprising how much you can actually cook with one of those. I think at most I've done two sandwiches like this, a pot of chilli and 3 pans of boiling water, 3 kettles of boiling water for 2 people, and there was still gas left in it. Can't really fault that. That's more than you really need for an overnighter. In fact, it's probably a good couple of nights. Quite a nice bright day today, been out doing a bit of geocaching. And I thought I'll just cook a bit of breakfast while I'm out. Why not, eh? That's it, starting to brown a little bit. Let's flip it. Let's get both sides of the pan warm. Yes. Starting to brown nicely. So what I'm doing is bacon and egg toasties. You can probably tell by the title of this video anyway. And I'm using the Ridgemonkey pan. I love this thing. My sister bought it for me for Christmas. And I have used it so much. Part of my kayaking expeditions and trips, going out for a paddle and cooking breakfast while I'm out. This thing's just great. When I've gone camping, it's been great. The fabulous thing about it is you actually have 2 separate frying pans. So you don't just have 1 pan, you've got 2. So if you wanted to cook 2 things separately, you can. But then also, obviously, you can use it as a lid. You can use it to seal moisture in, or you can use it to just double cook, as you'll see. Let's get some eggs thrown into this mix, eh? Mash the yolk up a little bit. Oh yeah. Something you just have to watch out for with this Ridgemonkey is if you've got a triumvirate stove with 3 feet, you are better off when you've got the lid closed aligning the handle with one of the legs. Otherwise it has a tendency to tip. Oh yeah. Right, it's time to flip the pan. There we go, look. So now what we're going to do, it wasn't cooking so well because the gas was lower than the stove. So once I've raised it up, it's worked a bit better. Anyway, now what we're going to do is add some filth in the form of some cheese. Can we make this better? Oh, look, we've got some grass there too. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Filth. And in fact, what we might as well do is add a little bit of HP. Put that first slice of bread on. Yep, the cheese is starting to melt. Let's do another flip. Right. We'll decorate this side in the same way. Break that up, put that on there. Bit of HP. And a slice of toast. Well, it will be toast. Oh, look at that, it's going to be tight. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm not going to toast this too much. I'm just going to get stuck in because I'm ravenous. Yeah. Filth. That's good. If you like this little video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. And if you like what I'm doing on this channel, by all means subscribe. It won't cost you anything, which is ace. It just means that whenever you open up YouTube, if I've uploaded another video, you get a little one of those notifications. And I know you don't like to miss out. Who wouldn't want to miss out on this, eh? Anyway, you take care of yourself and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.